Hey, it's John. Welcome back to my channel, and I know I haven't been very consistent about uploading videos recently, but today we're not going to worry about that because today is October 2nd, 2021, and the Northgate extension of the Link light rail system is officially open. The Northgate extension is just one of many extensions to the Link light rail system, and it will add 4.3 miles of track and 3 new stations onto Line 1. Other expansions to the system that will open in the next few years include Line 2 out to Bellevue and Redmond, and further extensions to Line 1 out to Lynnwood and Federal Way. And yes, you can be sure to see videos on those extensions right here on this channel, so I would very much appreciate you subscribing. Even though the Northgate extension is a relatively small addition to the Link light rail system, I had never been to Seattle before, so I decided to come check it out for myself. I'm currently heading to Westlake Station, which is the station closest to my hotel. And I believe the first train is scheduled to leave at 4:34 a.m. But I don't think that's actually going all the way to Westgate Station. So I believe I will jump on that just to be sure, but I believe the next train is actually leaving U District at 4:48 a.m. So we'll see how it goes. The first train to pass through Westlake was a deadhead because the maintenance facility is south of downtown. So as I had suspected, this train actually went out of service here at the University of Washington Station so that it can turn around and head back south, and the next train will actually be the first northbound train on the Northgate extension. So I just arrived on the first northbound train into the Northgate station, and it is a very, very foggy morning, so I think I'll come back later when we can actually see something. The most recent extension to Line 1 was the University of Washington Station, which opened in 2016. The next station on the line will also serve the University of Washington, as the U District station is located on the northwest corner of the campus. You'll see that there was a lot of publicity surrounding the opening of these new stations. In addition to speeches by local dignitaries, there was also a food walk at the U District station. The two new underground stations at U District and Roosevelt are designed similar to each other in that there are two new station entrances at the north and south end of the platforms. Here at U District, you can see that the new station was built with transit-oriented development in mind, as a building will likely be built between the two station entrances. Also, these underground stations are both very deep level stations. The U District platforms are 80 feet below street level. The next station on the line is known as Roosevelt, as it's named for the nearby Roosevelt District. You can see that all of these stations are spurring on tons of nearby transit-oriented development. Unlike U District, however, a road passes between the two station entrances. Similar to U District, however, the platforms at Roosevelt are deep underground, as you can see from these escalators, one of which was unfortunately not working on day one. Just south of the final station on the Northgate extension, you can see the tracks exiting the tunnel as they rise to meet the elevated Northgate station. This also serves as a great illustrator of how little space light rail takes up compared to the massive Interstate 5 just next to it. In addition to a new parking garage at the Northgate station, a new pedestrian bridge has been built spanning Interstate 5. While it wouldn't be hard to argue that the Link light rail system is a little too dependent on suburban car commuters, I do appreciate how the system has been built out to replace established bus rapid transit routes. The Northgate station, as well as future stations on the Lynnwood extension, already existed as park and ride facilities that were served by express buses. While incrementally upgrading existing transit services like the Northgate and Lynnwood extensions aren't the fastest way to build out light rail systems, Seattle will have a fantastic light rail network once the system is finally built out. And while the noise of traffic on Interstate 5 makes it almost impossible to carry on a conversation on this new bridge, it's still better than having no bridge at all. The new bridge also serves as a fantastic spot for watching trains on the new Northgate extension. So thank you so much for watching this short little video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in other light rail and passenger rail construction projects around the country, I'd really appreciate you checking out my channel and subscribing. I also want to give a huge shout out to all of my patrons. I really appreciate you all supporting this channel. If you're interested in joining them, there will be a link in the description, and as always, I will see you all soon.